following program is in described video for the visually impaired. It is also suggested that you listen to it under the influence of heavy drugs. Thank you.
Alright, today we are going to check out a care package a buddy of mine,
Megadethcloud, sent me.
By the way, what do y'all think about my my flag? I like it. I think it turned out pretty nice. Ooh, looky here. Alright. See what we've got. There we have Mr. Peanut Chode. And that looks like that plate is completely covered. Let's get a little light in here. Maybe we'll see this better. Alright. Let's check that out. Oh yeah, that's sexy. That's really sexy. Oh my goodness, look at all these swabs! Holy crap! We've got Mr. Peanut F4. We have Leucistic Machine Elf. We have Leucistic Machine Elf again. Another Leucistic Machine Elf. This one is Mr. Machine Nut, which is Leucistic Machine Elf crossed with Mr. Peanut. Very cool. So we've got Crooked Wizard. We have Stormtrooper. We have... oh my goodness, I don't even know how to say that. Quetzalcoatl, Leucistic Aztec God. Put this over here, get it out of the way. And we have Mr. Peanut again. We have Tat Smurf. We have Bluey Vuitton. We've got Crooked Wizard 183. We have Mr. Peanut F3. Cream and Coffee. That's a new one. I haven't heard of that one. Mr. Peanut F2. Dark Cat. We have Z-Strain F3. Toke F9. That's going to be a fun one. We've got Namaste F3, which is Namaung crossed with Tsunami. We have Mr. Peanut Dark Cat. Mr. Peanut Dark Cat. We have AJMF. I'm assuming that's Albino Jedi Mindfuck. We've got, oh my, I don't know if I can see that. Tat Smurf crossed with Arenal Volcano F3. Arenal Volcano, I haven't heard of that one. And then we've got Mr. Peanut F2. Dark Shorty. We have Namaste 135. Leucistic Machine Elf 77. HBP. I'm assuming that's Hillbilly Pumpkin. We have Mr. Peanut Wavy Squat F2. My goodness, he sent a bunch. Machine Elf, Leucistic Machine Elf F4. Got Mr. Peanut Wavy Squat F2. We have Quetzalcoatl F2. Leucistic Machine Elf F6 Rough Rider. Looking very forward to that one. That was actually the name of my platoon in the Army. We were the Rough Riders. We were 3rd Platoon out of Alpha Company, 32nd Infantry. Let me see here. We got Mr. Machine Nut, again, F2 this time. We have Gorilla Wizard. And we have Mr. Peanut F2, Dark Shorty. Wow, buddy. You really sent the goods. Most appreciated. Most appreciated. The ones I'm most interested in, Louis Vuitton. I didn't remember reading that one out. That's cool. The two that I'm most interested in are going to be the Mr. Peanut Chode and the Rough Rider. But they're all going to be awesome. Bud, super appreciate you, man. So that's the unboxing of the care package that was sent to me by
Megadethcloud.
Hope you enjoyed. Stay safe out there and happy cultivating. Beard out.